Good morning everyone. Today we will study in environmental subject chapter 6 food we eat. Let's start. Let us talk about these things that we do eat like rice, wheat, barley, oats, maize, etc. Most of our food is made of these things depending on what grow easily at which place different pulses, vegetable, fruit, meat, etc. Here some of the children their discussion about the food items what they ate yesterday. Let's see what there are discussion. I cooked dal and rice, said this girl. This boy is said last night I ate a chapati made of the bajra with jaggery. That means gur. And this girl is said yesterday no food was cooked in my house. And this boy is said I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati. This girl is said my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. This girl is said Ammi had cooked kheer and puri which I don't like, so I ate omelette instead. And this boy is said my mother brought noodle for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating it. We get food from different plant and animals. For food, we depend upon plant and animals. What is the real purpose of eating food? It is only taste or any reason behind it. Food helps us to grow, to give energy, to be healthy. What is it? The food item that providing you all these three? Yes, the useful substance in food that provide you all these three are called nutrients. Let's see about nutrients. Nutrients. There are different type of nutrients present in our food. There are also called components of food. 6 type of components like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water, roughage. Carbohydrate mainly provide energy to our body. Let us see some source of the food which are rich in carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, potato and sweet potato, maize and sugarcane. Proteins. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. They are called body builders. Food rich in proteins, milk, egg, meat, pulses, beans, fish, paneer. Fats, stored food. Foods rich in fats, groundnuts, coconut oil, vegetable oil, olive oil and nuts. Excess of fat food contains obesity. Do you know a type of nutrients food that protect our body from enemies? Yes. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins help in the protecting our body against disease. They also keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Vitamin E and K. Food source of the vitamin K including cabbage, cauliflower, spinach and the other green leafy vegetable as well as cereals. Minerals. Minerals are required in small amount in our body. They are essential for the proper growth of body and for maintaining good health. Roughage. So we need to have a little of all kinds of food every day to get all the nutrients and roughage etc. This type of the diet is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet should contain 50% carbohydrate, 35% fats, 12% proteins, 3% vitamins and minerals, and sufficient amount of water. In this lesson, we will learning about the relationship between good nutrients and health. Now this chapter is complete here. Now we will meet again with another chapter. Thank you.